We begin tonight with new numbers showing just how fast Omicron is spreading in North Texas. At the current rate, pandemic experts at UT Southwestern Medical Center predict daily cases could top 18,000 in our two largest counties, Dallas and Tarrant, in about 2 weeks. And Chris, hospitalizations are spiking too across all age groups, including kids.
Yeah, Teresa, Tarrant County broke a record today. They have more kids with COVID in the hospital now than any time since the pandemic started. You know, as a dad, I know that feeling. It gets in the pit of your stomach when your child is really sick. Adriana de Alba spoke with one mom about the moment she knew she had to take her baby to the hospital.
The last few days have been terrifying for Brittany Walker and her 3-month-old baby girl, Wren.
With this age, it scares you.
The Granbury mom, who also happens to be a nurse, noticed a change in her daughter's breathing. Things quickly got worse.
Her heart rate just kept on climbing, and then her temperature just in that hour went from 100.3 to 101.7.
Walker and her husband rushed their daughter to Cook Children's in Fort Worth, where she tested positive for COVID and spent 2 days.
She had a high temperature there, and her pulse was still in the 200s, and then she had modeling going on, which looked like she was almost like a bluish purple all over.
Baby Wren is not the only child battling COVID. Tarrant County just hit a record number of COVID pediatric hospitalizations. Tuesday, 45 children were in the hospital with COVID in the county, surpassing the county's previous peak of 44.
We're sky high with COVID issues.
That's County Health Director Vinny Tenasia. He says the county's positivity rate is around 39%, with 4 out of 10 COVID tests coming back positive.
People really need to start paying attention. I know it's easy to ignore the numbers and okay, that's just the numbers, but these are real folks with real illnesses. Some end up in the hospital. As you can see, hospitalizations are going up.
Baby Wren is now home, recovering after 2 long days.
It feels good. I think it's more nerve-wracking though. Sorry, I'm so emotional. Just trying to make sure she doesn't get worse.
After all the COVID patients she's cared for, no amount of experience could have prepared this nurse to see her baby go through this. In Fort Worth, I'm Adriana de Alba.
Boy, I know she's hugging Wren just a little bit tighter right now. We're really glad to see she is doing better. Hope that continues.